In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect browser printer to Wi-Fi DCP-L2540DW. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can connect this particular model of browser printer to a Wi-Fi network. To do this, you have to use the display and the buttons displayed or on the printer itself. So use this display. First, press the menu button. This will give you plenty of categories. Now, by using minus and plus, you can either go up or down. So, to start, after you tap on the menu button, go down until you reach the fourth category, which should be network. So press the minus button to go from 1 to 4. And then, once you have network highlighted, you can select OK. Inside of network, you will first see wired, and then you have to press minus once to go down into the second option, WLAN. Once you have WLAN selected, you can choose OK. Inside of WLAN, go down until you reach the third category, so press the minus button, and then you will highlight Setup Wizard. Setup Wizard is going to be the most convenient option to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So highlight this, select OK, and now the browser printer is going to look for Wi-Fi networks. Make sure that it is in close proximity of your router and that it is able to detect the network. If it doesn't work, you can try again, but after a while, you will see a list of all of the networks available. Once again, you can use minus and plus to navigate up and down through this list. Highlight the specific network that you will be connecting into and choose OK once more. Finally, you will have to input the network key, which is the password. This process can be a little bit annoying because you will have to go up and down using minus and plus to cycle through all the letters. So it's going to show A, then you press it again, it's going to show B, you press it again, it's going to show C, D, E, and so on. So cycle through all of the letters. Once you reach a specific one that you want to select, you can press OK. Then the cycle repeats. It's going to show A, you go down, it's going to show B, C, and so on. Basically, you have to select each individual letter until you make the full password. Once you have the full password, you can choose OK, and the Wi-Fi network will be connected into. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.